Hello, Legal Funnel members. Hope you guys are doing well. First of all, to all the new members, welcome. You guys are in a good place where you guys will be able to learn about how to run a virtual law firm. All right, so today we're going to talk about YouTube. How important is YouTube, and how you can use YouTube to generate more legal clients. So the biggest source for clients online, legal clients online, is number one, Google, and then number two right now it's YouTube. Actually, it feels like YouTube right now. It feels like a big ocean, blue ocean of opportunities. Seems like how it was about 10-15 years ago with Google, when a lot of people didn't know about SEO. 10 years ago, those people who took advantage and took quick action with Google. It feels like the same way with YouTube right now. It's not, everybody feels like it's too late, but it's never too late. It's, the second best time is now. So if you don't have a YouTube channel, and if you're not using YouTube to generate clients for yourself, you definitely should. I've been a big YouTube user since the beginning, and actually I made a goal. It looks like I made a goal in the beginning in April or in March. I was at 680 subscribers, and I basically made a goal, and I put my head down. Now I made a goal, I guess 5 months ago, or 4 months ago, to hit 1,000 subscribers, and lo and behold, exactly one day before I hit exactly 1,000. So lesson is always, create very concrete, specific goals, and you might hit them. So with YouTube, how can you use YouTube to generate clients? So first, it starts off with keyword research. Keyword research is using Google's tools or other online tools to be able to find those exact keywords that people are searching for, to be able to rank for those keywords. So the good part about YouTube is that even in Google search, YouTube videos do show up, and also which helps a lot. So there's one particular video. It's a very good example. Let's just say for a very popular keyword, LLC versus S Corp. There is this YouTube video.
So what is the?
It is 2 years old or 3 years old, and has 350,000 views from very good prospects for business. So imagine that 350,000, even if the conversion rate is 1% or 2%, imagine 1% or 2% of people who watch this video take action. So huge opportunity. If you find those, you do that keyword research and find those keywords that that YouTube shows up in Google searches, great opportunity there. So what I basically how I got to 2,000 subscribers, I did major keyword research, finding exactly those target keywords that I want to target, and at that point I know exactly what videos I should produce. So you guys could kind of YouTube me. You guys could see kind of what I'm putting out. It starts with really keyword research. The other thing I want to talk about is how much it helps with conversions, how videos really help you get more clients. And what I mean by that is, when right now video is the highest form of it's the most convincing way it's the highest form of conversions. It's the tool that you can use to convince prospects to do whatever you want them to do. So video builds authenticity. It makes you real. As you guys can see, just by through these videos, you guys have got to know me a little bit better than you guys did before. Just a simple video, right? It's not that big of a deal. The other thing to keep in mind is that videos does have a little bit of a steep learning curve in the beginning, but because of that steep learning curve, that really gives you an advantage to people who actually do take advantage and do it. The biggest hurdle that I see, and the biggest reason why I see people don't doing YouTube or creating videos, is that because it's hard, or people overthink it and all that stuff. That really doesn't matter. Done is better than perfect. Done is better than perfect all day long. So it doesn't matter what you put it up, and even the views may not seem like much. even with 60 views, 60 views, out of those 60 views, there's 10 potential clients right there. And if a potential client is $1,000 or $2,000, that's $20,000 just from that 60 view video. So a lot of people I kind of don't get what the views mean, but the views are very significant. Even if it's 60 views, that's pretty significant. Out of that 60, I'm sure I've already probably sold one of my services. So this is my kind of advice. If you guys are not doing YouTube, if you guys are serious about generating clients online, definitely the time is now. If you guys already haven't taken action, make a promise to yourself that you guys are gonna put videos out. If you guys have any questions about YouTube or generating clients through videos, please let me know. Please like this video if you did enjoy it, and please invite your other lawyer entrepreneurs who will be interested in these videos to the group. Thank you so much.